Dreaming of achieving that flawless beauty look every day? Say hello to the 100 Makeup Tips PDF book. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, this guide is your ultimate beauty companion. From the basics of blending to advanced contouring, it's all here. Learn how to perfect your winged liner, choose the right foundation for your skin type, and make your makeup last all day. Plus, discover insider secrets that only the pros know. Whether you're going for a natural daytime look or bold evening glam, this book has tips to suit every style and occasion. Ready to transform your makeup routine? Download your copy of the 100 Makeup Tips PDF book now and start your journey to flawless beauty. With the right tips and techniques, you can achieve anything. Your path to flawless beauty starts right here. Link in the bio.